Today's story is about a young man whose one small promise transforms his entire life. As you listen, you will learn English naturally through simple sentences and all-important tenses. Let's begin. Part 1, The Past. My name is Ariv. 2 years ago, I lived in a tiny apartment near the old railway track. Life was ordinary. I worked at a printing shop, and every evening I returned home exhausted. But one stormy night, something unexpected happened. I was walking home after work. The streets were filling with water. The wind was strong. People were running to find shelter. Then I noticed a little girl standing alone under a broken bus stop. She was crying softly. Her uniform was wet, and her school bag was dripping. I asked gently, "What happened? Where is your home?" She whispered, "I got on the wrong bus. I don't know where I am." She had been waiting alone for almost an hour. Everyone ignored her because of the heavy rain. I opened my umbrella and said, "Come with me. I'll help you." I had never helped a stranger before, but something inside me told me I had to. We walked together through the storm. She held my hand tightly. She trusted me even though we had never met before. Her parents' phone was switched off, so I took her to the nearest police station. That night, standing in the rain, I made a promise to myself. If someone needs help, I will not walk away. I didn't realize then that one promise would completely shape my future. Part 2, The Present. Today, I am 27. My life is different. I work as a freelance designer now. Every weekend, I visit a community center. Right now, I am teaching basic English to children who cannot afford classes. Some of them are learning to read and write for the very first time. For 3 years, I have been helping them grow. Parents often tell me, "Ariv, our child has become more confident because of you." Whenever I hear those words, I remember the promise I made on that stormy evening. It fills my heart with purpose. I feel proud that I am doing something meaningful. Part 3, The Future. Next month, I will start a small open-air learning group in the park. At this time next year, I will be teaching at least 50 students. Before this year ends, I will have created a small team of volunteers. 5 years from now, I will have been running this program for many years, helping children dream bigger lives. My dream is simple. One day, these children will speak English confidently. They will get better opportunities. They will build better futures. And all of this will happen because of one promise I made in the rain. Moral: big changes begin with small decisions. One act of kindness can change someone's world, and your own.